In front of me is Redmi Note 14s, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Additional Settings at the bottom. Now select one-handed mode here and use gray switcher next to one-handed mode to activate it. Then follow those instructions. So you need to swipe left or right from the center of the navigation panel. When I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, you can simply click on this area at the top. If you wish to disable one-handed mode completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!